June is National Dairy Month and a great time to head to your grocer's dairy aisle for special deals. Chef Jamie Gwen here to say today's dairy aisle has something for every lifestyle. It's so much more than just the traditional dairy staples. And now is the time to stock up so you can try some of these budget-friendly recipes. Start the day with my fluffy and fabulous English muffin French toast made with lots of dairy aisle favorites. Summer's best panzanella salad is even better with garlic butter croutons. And make the very best cream corn with a variety of cheeses you probably already have in the fridge. These buttery, bright lemonade stand cookies will satisfy your sweet tooth for sure. Or try my summery blueberry mousse that's creamy and delicious and made with just 5 ingredients. For more recipes and meal ideas and to enter the $10,000 June sweepstakes, visit easyhomemeals.com.